Hey guys, what's up? I'm Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I have not done an unboxing video in quite some time. This Profusion package is quite big, so I really wanted to do a dedicated video just for it. Hopefully you guys are into this kind of video. I am in no shape or form bragging about receiving PR. I appreciate companies supporting me, and I just wanted to share with you guys products that are launching or that are out there. So yeah, let's just go ahead and begin the unboxing. Let's go.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay, so just so you guys know, I did open the box, but all of the products are still wrapped up. There's no way that I would have been able to open it and repackage it like this because you guys know how tissue is. So I haven't seen anything that's in here, so let me just open it. Okay, so it looks like the first item that we have here is Beautiful Brows. It's a 6-piece brow defining kit. And it looks like we have some powders here and a brow primer. We have the color taupe and soft brown here, and also there's an angled brush. And then there's a brow defining pencil, and it has like a little spoolie at the end. Here's what that one looks like. This looks like a perfect stocking stuffer. I haven't tried this yet, but I will be uploading videos to my Instagram, so be sure to follow me on there if you're not already. And let me look here. This 6-piece brow defining kit is available in 2 colors. So it's not just the taupe and soft brown. I'm sure there's a dark brown there. And these retail for $6.99. Let's move on to the next one. The next item in the box, it looks like it is a lip kit. On here it says that the Lips To Go 3-piece velvet lip kits retail for $4.99, and these are available in 4 different colors. Another perfect stocking stuffer. Oh my god. So we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm over here counting, and this is 21 shade eyeshadow palette. And it comes with a little brush here. So let's read up on this one here. The 21 shade eyeshadow palette retails for $9.99, and it comes with a variety of finishes available in 6 colorways. So there's 6 different palettes with different colors that retail for $9.99. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see a tutorial using this palette, or maybe I can use like all Profusion Cosmetics products. So let me know in the comments and I'll do that for you guys. It's a big one.
That's what she said.
Okay, and this looks like a 12-piece eye and face kit. So there's like a highlighter, a brush, 4 mattes, and 4 shimmer shadows here. We have a sparkling eyeliner. Ooh, I think this is like a highlight brush. I would use that for a highlight. This Mixed Metals 12-piece eye and face kit retails for $9.99, and it's available in 4 colorways. The prices on these are just so freaking unbelievable. I think these are perfect for holiday season. Alright, we have one more. It looks like we received another eyeshadow palette, and this is called the Chestnut Eyes. This retails for $6.99. Also, I forgot to mention that most of these products, I think all of them, are cruelty-free. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. All of the center colors look like shimmer shadows, so those are probably all lid colors, and then these outer ones are the transition colors. This video is actually pretty short. Maybe I should do some swatches. I'm gonna swatch these for you guys because this is $9.99 and you get 21 eyeshadows, so I think this is the best deal. This color right here looks really pretty, so I'm gonna start off with that one. It's called Sunny. Sunny looks like it's a really pretty true gold. This is the shimmer shadow that stood out to me the most. It's called Backlash. Ooh, that one is really pretty. It looks like a nice rich brown. That would look so freaking nice with a beautiful smoky eye for the holidays. I'm gonna try to swatch this one called Legendary. This one looks really nice too. It's called Chameleon. There you go. Atta Tracy. I don't know guys, but $9.99, I think this palette is gonna look so freaking beautiful and I can't wait to try it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch some of these for you. I'm gonna swatch Atlantis, which is this one here, and Taboo, I think. Alright, so this one here is called Atlantis. This next one is called Taboo. I thought this was a true gold, but I think this is more of a true gold. Okay, and this is the face palette kit. I'm gonna go ahead and this color here looks so freaking beautiful that I'm gonna just go ahead and add that color right here. Ooh. Yes, Profusion. And then there's a sparkling eyeliner that came with that face palette. Let's try that out, why not? A ver si sirve. Let's see if it works. Oh, my eyelash isn't gonna let me. Oh my god, I can't wait to play with all this makeup. Alright, I gave you guys some teasers here. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys do enjoy this type of unboxing videos. If you guys want to see more unboxing videos with different brands, let me know. I would love to do that here on my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, I think I got my dog hair. Hey guys, don't forget to check out my latest videos down below. And also, there's a little circle with my picture in it somewhere around here. If you click on it, it'll subscribe you to my channel and you'll be a part of this little community that we're building here. Thank you so much for being here. Bye.